Hey guys, we're here in Victory Park at one of the newest high-rises to this neighborhood, the 23. Nikki, the assistant community manager, has agreed to give us a sneak peek of this community. Let's go check it out.
The greatest thing about this floor plan is the killer view.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Crazy.
And then they all have farm style sinks. So this is a queen size bed. You can obviously fit a king. People always love the closets. There's a lot of shelving here.
So these are all customizable?
Yes.
You have this gorgeous infinity pool that overlooks the entire city. You also have this flex studio, which, surprise, surprise, check out this awesome row machine. Now, if you want to see any other properties like this anywhere in Texas, visit our website at topnotchlocating.com. But for now, I'm gonna hang out here at the lounge and y'all gotta go. No, seriously, y'all gotta go.